Hi, my name is Ellen. Oh, and this beautiful gal is Betsy. Right now I'm converting her into my full-time home with the help from my family and especially my sister, whom you've already been seeing a lot. So in this week's video I'm going to be tackling the kitchen, and I'm going to share some of the thoughts I had during the project. Let's get building! In today's episode of the vanbuild series, we're going to be building the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be alongside here. It's actually going to be very simple, very small, and practical, hopefully, at the end. Yeah, I still want to be able to sit here and enjoy my views when I'm not looking into a brick wall, as I'm doing right now. My sister is going to be helping me with this project, be my brain, because I don't have any. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be building this now. So great. That was it for today. Good night. One thing that was very important to me when building out this kitchen was to keep it simple and pretty small. This also means I won't have a stationary cooktop or an electrical faucet. I'm going to put a water jug up on my shelf and use the gravity to get the water down into my faucet. Underneath, as you can tell, I have a larger water jug to collect the wastewater. I'm going to cover that in a later video, but what I'm trying to say is that I want to keep the setup as simple and electrical free as possible. And I just honestly don't want to deal with things or components that might break. So I decided pretty early on that I would put in the necessary items to me in the van, and if I thought something was unnecessary, I would just not include it. Another thing that's important to me is the space that the kitchen is taking up. I kept the kitchen pretty narrow so it didn't take up too much space. This means I don't have that much storage in my kitchen, but I'll figure something out. I don't need that much storage, hopefully. As you've probably noticed, I haven't touched the area underneath the second drawer. That's because I'm planning to build a bigger drawer that I can use for storage and a small seating area. So it'll function as a stool and storage. Brilliant, if I do say so myself. But I'm tackling that in another video. But that's initially the things that's important to me with my kitchen and the current setup. Look at that! Now I attach these panels on the sides and then I know the length of it. I'm going to measure it if I have my measuring tape. So I made these small indents in the wood so I'll be able to fit this because the sliders do stick out a bit. Okay, so I've got a bit of an issue here. The knobs that I have here, it's not very long, which means it doesn't even pass through, which means this doesn't even stick out. We're using this drill bit. That is a very beautiful knob. It's gorgeous. It's not bad, it's really not bad. Vater. Oh my god, holy shit. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna do, apparently. Okay, I'm finished. Sorry.